Imagine yourself in this Ram 2020 1500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper grille surround 1 chrome texture 1 black wheels, 18-inch x 8 inches cast aluminum painted bright front bumper, black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat included, manual adjust 4-way driver seat front center seat cushion storage manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat 3 rear seat head restraints, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 3.92 rear axle ratio, engine, 5.7 L V8 Hemi MDS VVT torque included, Hemi badge active noise control system heavy-duty engine cooling thermal rear axle, gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds, STD, chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper wheels, 18-inch x 8 inches premium